In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to calculate correlation using window functions in Tableau. This is a fantastic tool for uncovering relationships between different data sets, like sales and profit. So get ready to dive right in. To begin, open the Tableau public app. If you haven't downloaded it yet, make sure to do so because it's an essential tool for data visualization. Once you're in, access your worksheet where we will be carrying out all these steps. It's important that your data is clean and well organized here, as it will help avoid any hiccups along the way. Next, let's start by dragging the sales data to the columns shelf. You'll want to change it from a measure to a dimension. This adjustment helps to shift how Tableau processes this information, turning numerical data into something we can categorize and assess relationships with. After that, move to the rows shelf and drag profit, again making sure to switch it from measures to dimensions. This allows us to clearly plot the two datasets against each other. Now, let's add some visual depth to our worksheet. Take the sales field and drag it into the size section of the marks card. This feature lets us adjust the size of the marks on our graph, giving us insight into the scale of sales for different points. Do the same with profit by dragging it into the color section of the marks card. This will color code your data points based on profit levels, making any patterns or correlations stand out more vividly. Having set up your visualizations, go ahead and open a new sheet. Here, navigate to the Analysis menu and create a calculated field. This is where we'll develop our calculation for correlation. Give it a meaningful name, something like correlation calculation, and enter your query. Once everything looks good, click OK to finish the setup. Return to your worksheet and drag this new calculated field to the text shelf within the marks card. Doing so will display your calculated correlation right on the sheet, offering a quick reference as you analyze the data's relationship. If you need to, reopen the calculated field you created earlier. You can tweak its formula and reassess the query if the initial results aren't what you expected. Then click OK again to save any changes. Switch back to your first sheet and make sure to drag both calculated fields into the Details section of the marks card. This ensures that the correlations are factored into your overall analysis at a granular level. Finally, double-click on the title of the chart to open the text editor. Then insert your calculated field here. It's a handy way to personalize your visualization and keep your correlation results front and center. And that's it. You've successfully calculated correlation using window functions in Tableau. By following these steps, you'll be able to visualize complex relationships in your data effortlessly. Thanks for watching, and happy analyzing!